putting D is equal to 3 by 2 in 4, we get minus B plus twice D is equal to 1. So we get here, this 2 cancels. So you get minus B plus 3 is equal to 1. So you get here minus B is equal to 1 minus 3. You get minus B is equal to minus 2. That means you're getting B is equal to 2. So now if you see, we have got all the 4 values, A, B, C, and D. So what is the matrix B? Hence, B is equal to, in the first place, you had A. The value of A was, we have found 1. Second place, you had the value B in the 1, 2 position. So this is 2. C you had in the 2, 1 position. So this is half. And D you had in the 2, 2 position, which is 3 by 2. And this is the value of the matrix B. Okay. So that is it. That finishes this sum. Now we move on to a special sum, which is not there in the textbook, but it is a very common sum. That is, you need to show that A plus B whole square is not equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, when A and B are matrices. When A and B are numbers, real numbers, then A plus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square plus 2AB plus B square. But when A and B are matrices, this is not equal. Why are they not equal? Why are they not equal? They are not equal because matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is, in case of matrix multiplication, AB is not equal to BA. So let's see. Given here, matrix A and B is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 0. These are the 2 matrices that are given to you. Okay. Now we want to show that A plus B whole square is not equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So let us first find out A plus B. So A plus B is equal to so add these 2 matrices. 1 plus 2
Thanks, sir.
give you 3. 0 plus 3 will give you a 3. 2 minus 1 will give you 1, and 1 plus 0 will give you 1. Okay, so this is my A plus B. Now we proceed to find out A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is nothing but the product of A plus B taken with A plus B. So multiply these 2 matrices. First row, first column, so 3 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Next, first row, second column, so you get 3 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Next, second row, first column, so you get 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Second row, second column, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. So that now this becomes
मुंह देखे अंदर मैच करने का मन नहीं करेगा मुंह नहीं दिखा स्क्रीन
so you have 9 plus 3, 12. And you have 9 plus 3, 12. And you have 3 plus 1, 4. And you have 3 plus 1, 4. So this is what you are getting as A plus B whole square. Now we want to find out, since we have found out the left hand side A plus B whole square, now we want to find out A square, AB and B square separately. So A square is the product of A with A. A here is you multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Second row, second column, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. So you are getting A square as 1, 0, 4, 1. Now we proceed to calculate AB. AB is first row, first column, 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. First row, second column, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Next, second row, first column, 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Second row, second column, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. So you'll get here 2, 3, 3, and 6. This is the matrix AB. Now we proceed to find out B square. B square is the product of B taken with B. Check the multiplication. 2, 3, minus 1, 0. And you have 2, 3, minus 1, 0. Again, first row, first column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. Next, first row, second column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Second row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Next, second row, second column. So minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So you're getting the matrix B square here as 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3.
रात में
So therefore, what was left hand side? Left hand side was A plus B whole square. How much had we found?
15 गिर गया। देखिए कल रॉकी का बर्थडे का केक
A plus B whole square. How much had we found A plus B whole square? 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay. Now we proceed to find out the right hand side. Right hand side is equal to A square plus AB plus B square. For the values, A square we have found out as 1041. AB we found it as, okay, twice AB. This was not A square plus, this was twice AB. Plus twice. AB we found as 2336. And B square we found as 16 minus 2 minus 3. Now we are going to simplify this. So this you get multiply all the elements by 2. Now you add these three matrices. You get 1 plus 4 plus 1. You get 0 plus 6 plus 6. You get 4 plus 6 minus 2. And you get 1 plus 12 minus 3. So here you are going to get 6, 12, 8, and 10. So what you see here, that left hand side was this matrix, and right hand side, a square plus 2ab plus b square, we have got this matrix. So clearly, a plus b whole square is not equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a and b are matrices. Okay. Now, I see I've given you a small note here. The note states that why is this happening here in case of matrices? This happens here in case of matrices because matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is, if A and B are two matrices, then AB is not equal to BA. That is, we say matrix multiplication is not commutative. Is not commutative. Right? Not commutative. What does not commutative mean? If AB is equal to BA, then we say that it is commutative. For example, for two real numbers, for any two real numbers, AB is equal to BA. That is, we say that multiplication of real numbers is commutative. That is, multiplication of real numbers is commutative. But matrix multiplication is not commutative because AB is not equal to BA. Okay, the concept of commutative clear with you? So this concludes our part on matrices. Any other question that you have from your textbook?